This is a tutorial on repurpose.io. So once you're logged in, whether you're on the free plan or a paid plan, you want to create your own workflow. So there's going to be four workflow types. The first one is going to be repurposing future content. So you want to create this connection. Say, for example, you're uploading to TikTok. You want to click this TikTok from the source, and then you want to select, say, YouTube from the destination. So whenever you upload to TikTok, it's going to automatically upload to YouTube, and you're just going to have to connect your accounts to the platform. The second one is going to be repurpose existing content. So say you have videos uploaded already on your platform. This is going to allow you to upload it to your new platform, and you can choose a bunch of the sources right here. And then the third option is going to be able to create clips from long form content. So you're able to transform long form content into shareable highlights. This is very useful for clippers. You can easily turn a podcast into some clips and upload that. And then the fourth one is backing up all of your content. So backing up all of your content on your platforms can be very time consuming. So this is a great feature to have for repurpose.io. So if you're interested in repurpose.io, we have the link in the description that you can go ahead and check out.